Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Comfort in Lancaster County North. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Nestled in the rolling hills of Lancaster's Amish country, the Comfort Inn Hotel is minutes from a number of popular attractions. Adamstown, the antiques capital of the world, is minutes away and features a number of specialty stores that are perfect for finding that must-have item. Additional attractions close to this Denver, PA hotel include Dutch Wonderland theme park, Hersheypark amusement park and the American Music Theater Arena. In addition to standard amenities, all guest rooms at this Denver, PA hotel are furnished with microwaves, refrigerators, coffee makers, hair dryers, curved shower rods, desks, irons and ironing boards. Guests of this Denver, PA hotel can enjoy features like free wireless high-speed internet access, free weekday newspaper, seasonal outdoor pool, fitness center. Enjoy our free hot breakfast featuring eggs, meat, yogurt, fresh fruit, cereal and more, including your choice of hot waffle flavors. The Comfort Inn Hotel features 2 spacious banquet and meeting rooms that can accommodate up to 175 people for most functions. Whether you are looking for event space for your next corporate seminar or large group event, consider us for your next function. For added convenience, there is a picnic area is located on the premises. Pets are welcome with a small nightly stay fee. On-site parking is available and can accommodate most vehicles. Home to a vibrant Amish country, Lancaster, Pennsylvania is a thriving cultural center that is peppered with interesting things to see and do. From historic family farms to unique landmarks, and numerous local farmers markets, this popular Pennsylvania tourist destination offers a quaint countryside, beautiful scenery and countless activities. A number of restaurants can be found close to the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.